So?
Init na ng electric pan, gumagapang open.
Putang ang init. Kung sino man yung pumatay ng electric pan, parang di kayo pamilya. Natutulog yung tao! Ang ina nyo!
Oh my God. We.
It's a boy. Oh no. Oh no.
To my ever-loving wife, during the last year, I have attempted to make love to you 365 times. I succeeded 36 times. This averages once every 10 days, and the following is a list of reasons why I did not succeed. It's too hot, 15 times. It's too cold, 3 times. I'm too tired, 19 times. It's too late, 16 times. It's too early, 9 times. Pretending to sleep, 35 times. I'm not in the mood, 21 times. Mind my hair, 28 times. Is that all you think about? 83 times.
Uy! Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry. Akala ko si John Lloyd.
And then you'll die.